Looks so delicious. I can't wait.
She is crunchy, folks. She is crunchy. Hey there, OFT family. On tonight's menu, we are having ranch chicken, mashed potatoes, and brown sugar butter roasted carrots.
Food.
Does that not sound delicious? Me too. So first, what I did was I got a big pack of chicken breasts. They were pretty thick. So how I make my cutlets is I take a chicken breast, a little Big Daddy, and I slice them into tenderloins, like this, okay? So I'm making 6 of them tonight. So I'm gonna take that, can you see what I'm doing here? I'm gonna take that and put it in between parchment paper, okay? You can use plastic wrap too, whatever you feel like it, mash the shit out of it, okay? I have a mallet, it's got a smooth end and a tenderizing end, see? I don't use the pokey end, I use the flat. So you're gonna pound it out super thin. All right, let's see what we get. That looks pretty darn good, folks. See?
Ooh.
See how thin she is? I'm gonna do that to the rest of them. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we are back. I have pounded out all of the chicken breasts for the ranch cutlets. So here I have my little breading station. So I have my flour, I have 2 eggs with a little bit of water, and in this bowl I have panko breadcrumbs mixed with a package of ranch seasoning, and then I also used some Dano's seasoning, Dano's original and Dano's cheese. So let me show you how I bread the first one. So you take your cutlet, okay, dredge it in the flour, make sure it's all coated. I like to do everything close together because I don't want to keep it. So then we're going to put in the egg. Make sure it's all coated and keep one hand clean. And then you put it in your panko. And again, get all the sides, the top and bottom, make sure every piece is coated. I'm going to do this with all of them, then I'll show you when I fry them. Okay, we are back. I have breaded all of my chicken here, all 6 cutlets. Got my avocado oil hot. I had it on medium and I had it turned down a little bit. It got a little too hot. So I'm going to pan fry these, shallow fry, 4 minutes per side. And you are going to hear a hell of a sizzle out of this big guy. Look at him. You hear that, folks? That sounds like goodness right there. It depends on how big your pan is and how big your cutlets are. I'm only able to fit 2 in mine, and I'll see you back here when I flip them. Okay, so it was 4 minutes on the one side, so I flipped them over, and you can see how good and brown and crispy they are. So they'll cook for another 4 minutes on this side. Be back in a minute. We are back, OFT family, and I have my plate. I have my ranch chicken cutlet, I have my mashed taters, and I have my roasted carrots with a brown sugar butter sauce. Look at that plate. Doesn't that look delicious? My mashed potatoes, I did 4 russet potatoes and just boiled them until fork tender and just added milk, butter, salt, pepper, just basic mashed potatoes. My carrots, I sliced them on a bias and then roasted them in a 400-degree oven with 2 tablespoons of melted butter with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and just a squeeze of hot honey. And then my chicken cutlet. You hear it? It's crispy. Let's give her a try.
Looks so delicious. I can't wait.
She is crunchy, folks. She is crunchy.
You would do that chicken like a piece of butter.
Did you hear that crunch, folks? So, to my panko, I added a package of ranch seasoning, and I also did these 2 Danos, the original Danos and the cheesy one. I just put a little bit of that in there, and it turned out really good. Let's taste some mashed potatoes. Delicious, no lumps, perfectly salted. Taste the butter and the milk, delicious. Let's try these carrots. Look at these carrots, guys. These might burn my face off. They were last. These carrots are a winner every single time. Just take regular old carrots, peel them, wash them, put them on a bias, sheet pan, parchment paper. That's it. Guys, you gotta try this with your family. It is so good, so easy. It's outstanding, honey. It really is. Try it tomorrow. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.
Bye.